How would it be to be the chief design officer of a company? How would it be to be able to shape and lead the innovation strategy of an organization? We know that as design professionals, you can do a great job there. We know that you are more and more often involved in strategic challenges. But we also know that you struggle sometimes. That is why in this masterclass, Design, Leadership and Innovation, we want to help you to deal with these challenges. We will use the experience of many successful design leaders and the latest research findings in strategic design to cover topics like how should you establish your priorities as a design leader? How should you interact with top executives and other stakeholders to create durable engagement with design? How should you organize your design team and your strategic design projects? At the end of the course, you will own a set of concrete strategies and activities to scale the impact of design in your organization. And you will leave with the right mindset to flourish as a design leader. I'm looking forward to meeting you.